Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Wuraola Odolate and I'll be serving you beauty and lifestyle vlogs. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how I achieved this beautiful set of brows. So let's get into it. I started with my Elf Cosmetics brow tamer and I used that to tame my brows. Basically, it's more like laminating your brows to shape your brows into the right shape. And then I went in with my spoolie stick to brush my eyebrow in place and maintain the shape. Afterwards, I set my eyebrows with a loose powder, and this is to prevent any form of shine later on. Now, with a sharp pencil, I'm gently tracing my eyebrows, and I can do this because I had already used the brow tamer to tame my brows, so there are no brow hair flying everywhere. And I already set it so there's no shine, so my pencil is easily gliding through my brows. So what I'm just doing is tracing my natural brow shape. Now once I have achieved that, I'm going back in to fill in the gaps. So as you can see from the tracing, it made the parts where my brow hair is not fully enough obvious. So I started to light-handedly fill in the gap. So I'm not putting any pressure and I'm not shading everywhere. Now it's time to clean up my brows. I'm using my Bamboo concealer to clean up the bottom part of my brow. I personally like to start from underneath my arc because I feel like this is where the curve is and this part can become my makeup. So I love to start from this part and work my way down to the tail of my brows, then go back to the start of my brows and it's just a personal preference, but whatever works for you is good enough. Just take your time and do not rush this process because this process can frustrate you, believe me. So once I've done and I've cleaned up the bottom of my brows, I just work in the rest of the concealer into my eyelid to use it to prep my eyes for eyeshadow. Next, I'm going in with my blending brush and in a circular motion, I'm just blending that out. I take my time to blend because I don't have any harsh lines around my eyebrows. So once I'm done blending, I go in to clean the top of my brows. You see this part, you can skip it, but yeah, I just like to do it. So instead of using the concealer, I just use the leftover foundation I had at the back of my hands and I'm slightly using it to clean my brows. To be honest, every time I do this part of my brows, I'm always asking why are you trying to destroy something that is beautiful already? But then at the end of the day, I always follow up with my results more. So yeah, it's a love and hate relationship with the top of my brows. Anyway, after tracing and cleaning up the top of my brows, I go back in with my blending brush to blend that in and ensure there are no harsh lines. To finish off, I just go in with the same flat brush I used to highlight to clean the top of my brows. But now I don't add any product, so it's just the brush alone that has the remaining product. And then lastly, I just go over everything with my blending brush to ensure there are no harsh lines anywhere. And then I wrap it up with my glue. This is the finished look. I hope you guys love it. See you in my next video.